In a remote village where mountain peaks touched the sky and lush greenery spread everywhere, lived an elderly farmer named Robert. Robert had a small field and a single, beautiful cow that gave him fresh milk every day. The villagers called this cow Grace because her milk not only sustained Robert's household but also provided for the poor of the village. One day, a mysterious illness spread through the village, affecting animals. Robert's cow, Grace, also fell ill and stopped giving milk. The villagers came to Robert to express their condolences, saying, "Robert, this is terrible. Your Grace is of no use now." Robert smiled and replied, "Perhaps it's bad. Perhaps it's not. Who knows?" A few days later, a wealthy merchant from a nearby town approached Robert and said, "Robert, I want to buy your cow. Even though she's sick, I'll take her to the city for treatment." Robert sold his sick cow to the merchant, and with the money, he sowed more seeds in his field and dug a small well. The villagers were astonished that Robert had managed to profit from a sick cow. They said, "Robert, you're very lucky. Even a sick cow sold." Robert repeated, "Perhaps it's good. Perhaps it's not. Who knows?" A few weeks later, a severe drought hit the region. All the wells in the village dried up, and crops began to wither. But thanks to the well Robert had dug, his field still had water, and his crops remained green and healthy. Robert not only harvested enough grain for himself but also supplied grain to the villagers. After this, the villagers came to Robert, full of remorse, and said, "Robert, your foresight saved us. Your cow falling ill and then selling her, it all turned out to be a blessing for us." Robert smiled and said, "It's difficult to immediately judge every event in life. Sometimes what seems bad brings good, and sometimes what seems good later causes trouble. We must accept the flow of life with patience and faith." This story teaches us that we shouldn't just look at the apparent aspect of events that occur in life, but also try to understand their deeper meanings and long-term effects. In every difficulty, there is a hidden opportunity, and in every ease, there is a test. For more stories, subscribe to Stories Desk channel.